Hey guys, so welcome to Joe's RC Corner, and today we're back out at the hangar, and today we're going to be doing cleanup, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so like I said, we're going to be doing some cleanup out here at the hangar because we have a lot of work that needs to get done. So last video, as you know, we finished up the fuel cart. That is now completed, so we're good to go there. But we do have a lot more work to do. So eventually what my plan is to start getting this buttoned up here wiring wise in the Cricket. We have a lot of work to do in there, and we need to get her done, guys. So, all right, so let me turn the camera around. We'll take a look. So like I said, we're gonna continue talking about the plane here. And on the plane, we have to finish up all the wiring, of course. That's the main thing that needs to get done. Then we can start working on the rigging. Once the rigging's done, then we can go ahead and pull all the parts that need to be painted off the plane and get those painted. So that's really some of the main keys that we need to get done. We're gonna work on that. Maybe not this weekend. We do have an air show I'm going to be going to over here in Holloman Air Force Base. It's going to be a great show. I'm going to bring you guys along for it, and hope you guys enjoy the show. But we will go right on and keep moving. Cleanup. Cleanup needs to get done today. So let's get moving. Okay guys, so I didn't do the time lapse while I was cleaning up, but basically I got everything all cleaned up off my bench, and now when we're ready to start working on the ailerons or flapperons, we have a clear space to start doing that. I am going to hold off on doing those right now because I really have a lot of work to do inside the aircraft, so we want to make sure we get all of that done first. So that is going to be the first steps, but I did want to show you this. Alright guys, so like I said, I wanted to show you this. I got my board now set up. This is for my to-do list. And there's a lot there. So, we're going to take it one step at a time. So, as you can see, this section is going to be for anything that as I'm working, I need to go ahead and remind myself to do. And this side is the stuff that I know of that I need to do. So we got the wings, we got stuff that I need to do with the wings still. We have the fuselage, that all the way goes down to there. And then we have the tail section of what things I need to do in the tail. And then of course we have the paint, which all of those things need to be painted. And then also mount the fuel flow sender. I forgot to put it over here. But we know that those things need to be done. So that's my board to remind myself where I'm at and what I need to get done. Because next month in June I got to go back up to Alaska again for work, so I need to make sure I remember where I'm at. So that's where we are. That's what we've gotten done. Alright guys, so that's where we are. That's what I've gotten done right now, and we're going to go home and spend some time with family and get ready for the air show tomorrow, because we are going out to Holloman Air Force Base. And we're going to go watch the Thunderbirds and many other aircraft out there, so we're looking forward to that trip. Maybe that'll get me a little bit of spark up my butt there and get me back on the plane. So anyways guys, that's all I got. Keep hitting that subscribe button, keep hitting that like button. It does help the channel. And if you feel like buying a t-shirt to help support the channel, we got the Joe's RC Corner L750 Cricket shirts. They're on the Teespring store down below. Make sure you visit that, visit the link, go ahead and purchase a t-shirt, and hope to see you guys wearing it out at Oshkosh 2022. See you guys later, and all right guys, keep building, keep flying. See you next time.